The video explores the ancient practice of yoga and its powerful benefits for stress relief. Simple and effective yoga poses are demonstrated, offering viewers a practical way to manage stress. Welcome to this journey towards tranquility and wellness. Today, we delve into the world of yoga, a time-honored practice renowned for its ability to soothe the mind and body. In our fast-paced lives, anxiety can often feel overwhelming, but yoga offers a gentle yet powerful remedy. Let's begin by understanding the profound impact yoga has on our mental health. This practice not only helps in alleviating anxiety, but also promotes a sense of balance and harmony within. By focusing on your breath and movement, yoga cultivates mindfulness, reducing stress and enhancing emotional well-being. Now let's explore some simple poses that you can incorporate into your daily routine. We'll start with the mountain pose, a foundational stance that helps ground you, encouraging stability and calmness. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides, and breathe deeply. Feel the earth beneath you as you center your mind. Next, move into the child's pose, a comforting stretch that releases tension in the back and shoulders. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the floor. As you exhale, let go of stress and draw inward, finding solace in the stillness. Transitioning into the cat-cow pose, a gentle flow between two positions that unlocks tension in the spine. Begin on all fours, arch your back like a cat, then dip your spine to form a cow pose. With each breath, feel the anxiety melt away. Finally, settle into the corpse pose, the ultimate relaxation posture. Lie flat on your back, arms and legs comfortably apart, and close your eyes. In this moment of stillness, focus on your breath and allow your body to completely relax. Incorporating these poses into your daily life can transform moments of anxiety into opportunities for mindfulness and relaxation. Yoga is not just a physical exercise, but a holistic approach to nurturing your mental health. Thank you for joining us on this path to inner peace. Remember, with each pose, you're not only strengthening your body, but also calming your mind, paving the way for a healthier, more balanced life. We hope these practices bring you serenity and joy.